Hey, what's going on, seminary students? Hey, I've really missed you guys. And as I was thinking about, looks like I got a halo right here. Um, as I was thinking about you guys, I thought, man, I'm not going to see you for a long time. So I still want to stay connected though. So what I'm going to do is occasionally I'm going to make some videos and share them with you so that we can have somewhat of a connection. And also just I want to help you improve your scripture study over the break. So if I haven't told you yet, your reading for this year, your reading requirement is we're going to ask that you keep up with Come Follow Me. And so this week is Mosiah 29 through Alma 4. And as I was looking through, I thought, what study skill could my students benefit from or use as they're studying Mosiah 29 through Alma 4? And that's what I came up with. So over here is how you find out. Let me actually go back. This is how you find out where you're supposed to be reading. Come Follow Me, Individuals, Book of Mormon, and then you find the date. So we are here, Mosiah 29 through Alma 4, and then it kind of gives you some really good helps already. But as you guys know, I'm a big fan of study skills. So as I was doing some studying, I thought, what was a study skill that I could do and encourage? And here's the one I came up with. I actually decided to make up a new one called the Heart Changer study skill. So the Heart Changer is this. When using this study skill, look for and mark verses or phrases that go beyond a cool phrase. These phrases are the ones that can change your heart. For example, when King Benjamin finished his speech, he wrote a letter to his people asking if they believed. And in verse 2, they said, yea, we believe all the words which thou hast spoken. And also we know that they're true, because the Spirit of the Lord, which has wrought a mighty change in us, or in our hearts, that we have no more disposition to do evil. So, it's your guys' turn. I want you to try this. Now, obviously, do you have to do this? No. Is this an assignment? No. Is this a requirement? No. But rather, this is just something that might help your study as you are going throughout the summer, and also hopefully will kind of keep us connected. So, let me show you an example. As I went and studied, here was my phrase that I found as I used the Heart Changer. You can actually see two highlighted there, but the one I want to talk about is verse 15. So, in chapter 1, you have Nehor, just this crazy antichrist, and Alma's in charge of the church and the government right now. And then in chapter 2, you have another crazy guy called Amlici or Amlici, depending on how you pronounce it. He's just having a rough go. And then some wars. So finally, he's just down. And so as you see in verse 15 here, and now it came to pass that Alma, having seen the afflictions of the humble followers of God, and the persecutions which were heaped upon them by the remainder of his people, seeing their inequality, he began to be very sorrowful. Now, that verse is very average, but then I loved this phrase. Nevertheless, the Spirit of the Lord did not fail him. So, people failed him. His goals to be both political leader and church leader, that failed. Everything failed him at this point, except the Spirit of the Lord. The Spirit of the Lord did not fail him. So as I read that for me was a heart changer. And so I marked it. And so that's as simple as it is right there, guys. I encourage you to find some heart changer phrases that as you read, it just helps you to even change your heart. Okay, so that's my challenge. I'm going to do a couple videos. I'm hoping, maybe weekly, or I don't know how often I'll do it, but throughout the summer, you'll see my face probably more than you wanted to, just because I want to stay connected. This COVID-19 is putting quite the gap between when we'll see each other. So trying to keep connected with you guys. Sure love you. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.